sheets are piled, the clouds are set. It's time to get the washing wet. So come on, clouds, it's raining time. Scrub-a-dub, wash away that grime. It's wash day, splash day, rinse the dirt off day. Wash day, splash day, let's get this washing clean. Let's splish it, splash it, bring it, bash it, get this washing clean.
Whoa! Wash day! I love wash day! Blanky! I want to wash Blanky! Cloudbabies! I want to wash Blanky!
That's great, little star.
But the rain stopped. Look!
Ooh.
Don't worry, little star. Fuffa will help you out. Won't you, Fuffa?
Let's get that blankie clean.
Here you go, little star.
Whoa! I'm getting a wash too!
Oh, Cloudbabies, the warm wind, it's nearly with us. Oh, it's on its way.
Thanks, son. Right, let's peg the washing ready for the warm wind to dry it.
All pegged.
Oh, I can't peg my blankie out to dry.
Oh, poor little star. Don't worry, little star. I know the perfect drying place for your blankie.
It's just right. It really is.
Now all we have to do is wait.
It'll be as dry as sun's elbows once this warm wind comes.
Thank you, Rainbow.
Ho, ho, ho! Here it comes. That warm breeze feels so good.
Perfect for drying our washing.
And my blankie.
The washing will dry in no time in this wind. The washing line snapped.
Got it! Whoa! 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 Oh, no! Don't worry, Baba Blue. I've got you.
Don't worry, you two. Baba Pink is on her way. Yes! Oh, this looks fun.
Wind away, a wind away, a wind away. Flappity flew! Oh, little star, I can't hang on anymore.
No! Come back! Blankie! My blankie! It's gone.
I'm sorry, little star. The wind's too strong.